So yes, Krishna. Krishna, you raised your hand.
And even like mostly in commerce we study about this most, ma'am, like briefly.
No, in our day-to-day life situations also, we just go through this. What is
P into T into R by 100.
what is P here, children?
Principal.
It's not a college principal. P means
Time.
Ma'am, there are two spellings,
Principal
principal,
means main
PAL
amount,
and
ma'am.
PLE.
hmm.
Ma'am, the R means the percentage.
R means rate.
Rate, ma'am.
What is rate of interest, children?
Ma'am, how much interest we will get per annum on the
Yes, ma'am.
principal?
How much interest per year?
Okay.
For the
Now,
particular annum.
Ma'am, interest is always measured in.
yes. Mute your mics, children. We'll
Ma'am,
go
I
with-
sent my sample paper. Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
and in the
Okay,
formula,
Satvik,
it is in the denominator 100 is there because R is in percentage.
Right. Children, let me take the one best question here. A sum of rupees 10,000 borrowed at a rate of interest 15% per annum for 2 years. Find simple interest on the sum and amount paid by the after end of 2 years. This way, you know that
Ma'am, what was the
what
principal, ma'am?
principal sum is given as.
Ma'am, what is the rate, ma'am? Rate.
Just a minute, children. Let me write on the screen so that you can calculate and give your answers in the chat box. Rate of interest is given as 15% per annum. PA means per annum. Time taken 2 years. Time is 2 years. Please calculate. Please calculate simple interest.
Ma'am, I got it, ma'am.
Ma'am,
3,000.
30,000.
No, you need
Ma'am,
to calculate.
3,000.
Simple
Oh, yes,
interest is how
3,000,
much?
3,000.
What amount you supposed to pay after 2 years?
Ma'am, 13,000.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
very good.
Ma'am,
What
the
is
SI unit is 3,000, ma'am.
what is interest? So
Ma'am,
3,000.
3,000. Ma'am, the interest is 3,000 and the amount
And
is
the amount will
13,000.
be 13,000.
Yes, just substitute and simplify, children. 15 2 times 3,000.
Ma'am, you left one more zero in that, ma'am, sum, ma'am.
Yes, 3,000. So you have the amount is nothing but how much, children? Principal, sum plus sum plus. Yes, I. Sum is nothing but principal amount. Principal also, children. Sum is 3,000. No, 10,000 plus 3,000. It's nothing but 13,000. Next thing. Children, please. Suppose the question is 5% per annum. What is the amount? 5% per annum. 5%, same amount. 5% per annum means how much?
Ma'am, it will be 1,000, ma'am.
Okay.
1,000 will be SI unit.
Suppose the amount
And
is suppose the amount is 15,000. Sorry, amount is paid to be 15,000 at 5% per annum after 2 years. Find the interest. Yes,
How much
15,000.
years, ma'am?
1,500.
15,000 into 5% into 2 years divided by 100. Come on, children, make it.
1,500.
Yes,
15.
this 10, 1,500.
Ma'am, 16,500.
Yes. This is the way we can calculate in our idea. No need, children. Same that if suppose they're asking about simple interest, already you know that, and they won't. Sometimes they're giving us interest and they're asking about rate of interest, or else sometimes they yes, SI is given, R is given, sum is given. You need to find out time also. So whatever unknown thing you're supposed to take as X, you know how to solve a simple equations by doing a transposition method. Please solve accordingly. Next thing. What is compound interest? Simple interest, how we are taking as a simple form SI, the same way compound interest should be taken as CI. Suppose, see children, there are many situations in our day-to-day life. My father has kept some money in the post office for 3 years. Every year the money is increasing as more than the previous year. what is the situation? Did you observe any time in your parents' bank account fixed deposit books, children? If you observe, you can easily recognize
Ma'am, is it something like RD?
or the recurrence deposit. You see in that every year is not the same. That interest is added differently. Why it is added differently? Did you observe that any time?
Ma'am, because it's floating principal.
They are not calculating simple interest there. They are calculating compound interest. Compound interest means, see children, there are many situations we have seen in bank accounts also we can see in our passbook. Interest is not same each year, it will increase. Not only that, normally the interest paid charges never be simple. The interest is calculated on amount on previous year. Suppose this year I supposed to take 15,000 as the interest is also added to what amount. Interest is also added to amount for next year. Next year, what is that total first year, whatever the amount you are taken plus interest, that is the amount for next second year. Second year again they will calculate on the complete whatever interest together as well as amount together. Both amounts they will add and give us total amount. On that they will calculate again the interest. See children, suppose this is known as compound interest. Simple interest we are not taking like that. We are just directly multiplying with the 2 years common amount. But whereas compound interest, whether it is interest calculating annually or half yearly or quarterly or like that, we supposed to see the conditions are given. That is based on that you can identify whether it is simple interest or compound interest. Suppose the questions are happening like that. How it is going to given? The amount spent to be paid at the end of after 2 years. Compound interest is calculated annually. Suppose compound interest is calculated half yearly. Compound interest is calculated quarterly. These are the words will given for you when you are giving compound interest. Let me give you example. We'll calculate how to do compound interest. Let me take 1 or 2 questions so that we can practice on the screen, children. Let me take the questions. Suppose sum is given as compound interest. They will add amount to interest also for further years. Nana. That is the major compound interest. They won't take as a common principle. They will, it is continuously changing. Why? Because they will add annually or quarterly or half yearly. Like that interest is added. Do you heard this word annually is added? Quarterly 9% per annum.
Yes,
Like that
ma'am.
the words are given. Yeah. Now sum is given in this sum is given as 20,000 rupees 20,000. Sum is given as rupees 20,000. Yes, sum 20,000 is borrowed by Hina for 2 years at the rate of interest 8% compound annually. See children, the word, what is the word given here? Hina is borrowed 20,000 from the bank. For 2 years. Yeah, how many years has she borrowed, children? For 2 years.
years.
Yeah, time taken
Yes.
2 years she borrowed. But condition is given. What is the condition? Rate of interest is given as 8%. Compound annually. The interest is a compound. Interest calculated compound annually. Annually means how much, Nana?
Ma'am, is it like that after 1 year?
Yes,
means
after 1
2
year.
years.
Yes, exactly correct. How amount will be changed? We supposed to do on that. Find the compound interest and amount she has to pay at the end of 2 years. So that is the question we supposed.
Ma'am, I did not understand what Sahu said.
No. First, what is the first year you are supposed to calculate? No. First year, what you will get? Suppose for the first year, simple interest of PTR by 100. We know this formula. What is happening?
Ma'am, after 2 years, you need to pay 3,200 rupees interest, and so the amount will become 23,200.
Why we say second year? Why principal is changing? That is the question we supposed to I insist here for the students. PTR means if this is okay. First year, it's okay, children. First year, as usual, what we are doing, the same way we are doing. Into 8 by 100. What happens here?
Ma'am, 3200 it comes.
33,200.
Now, what is the amount you are getting here?
30,000
The interest you are getting here. 200. 8 twos are 16. 16 twos are 16 twos are 32.
3200.
This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
your- this is simple interest after 2 years. So this is what is the simple interest you are calculating. But they're asking about compound interest. How you supposed to find out compound interest, children? How you
Ma'am,
supposed to find out?
23200 into 2 into 8 upon 100.
Okay. Why we are taking only 1 year? Yeah.
No, ma'am, we took 2 years.
No, compounded annually. The condition is given. Compound annually is given. That means first year you're supposed to calculate.
Ma'am, then we will have to take 1600,
Will
no?
it increase after 1 year?
Yes, yes.
So
Compounded.
will it
annually.
double?
Yes.
Means you have to pay 16% after
No,
the second year,
annually
right, ma'am?
compounded means 1 year you're supposed to calculate, Nana. First year you have to calculate simple interest. That is only first year. What is the 1 year? 1 year you're supposed to calculate to 20,000 into 20,000 into 5 means one rate of interest is 8 by 100. What you will get here? Directly 8 to the 1600, right? Nana, 1600 you will get.
Yes, ma'am,
This
16.
is simple interest. You're supposed to add to your sum. Sum plus simple interest, how much, children? Sum plus.
Ma'am, 21,600.
21,600, ma'am.
Now this is your principal amount.
So
21,000.
we have to do 8%
Ma'am,
again
means
for
in the
this
first year they
21,000,
will
right,
get-
ma'am?
Yes, now this is your second year. Second year, your principal amount is changed. Now,
Ma'am, so we have to calculate the principal amount for the next year,
Yes,
this
sir.
amount, right,
this
ma'am?
is first year.
Or
you
for the last
calculate-
year?
Yes, you calculate.
Ma'am, means every year the compound interest will be changed.
This is for first year you are calculating. Second year, what happens, Nana? Second year, your principal amount is right now.
21,600 into
ma'am.
2
Yes.
The
into 8
principal
upon
amount will be
100.
the first year's amount, ma'am.
Yes, it is 1 into rate of interest divided by 100. This you're supposed to calculate.
216 into 8.
216 into 8 is nothing but how much? Please, children, you are doing many calculations like very fast calculations in your, make it fast.
Ma'am,
1728.
1728,
1728.
1728.
Now first year, how much we 1728 on second year. So that total interest, how much you are paying to the bank? Previous year, how much you are
1,600.
1600 plus 1728, ma'am.
total 2 years you supposed to calculate, children? Just a minute.
Ma'am, 3,328, ma'am.
Yes, total interest you're supposed to calculate. First year, how much you are getting? You are getting first year,
16,000.
right?
16,000 plus, not 16,000, 1,600 plus 1,728 is 3,328.
Yes, Nana, total interest given is previous year you are taking as 1600. Second year you are
Plus
using as
the second year's is 728.
3,000 to
together it is 7 plus more 3000. And how much amount?
328.
328.
28.
This is your compound interest. This is your compound interest. But the question is, after 2 years, how much amount suppose the Hina supposed to pay to the bank?
Ma'am, 20,000, 23,328.
23,328 rupees, ma'am, at
Yes,
the end of
very
2
good.
years.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
23,328 rupees.
Yes.
Ma'am, is there any shortcut how we can find out the
Yes,
compound
yes,
interest?
we will do. But you supposed to observe, then simple interest you are getting as 3,200. Compound interest is getting as 3,328. Which interest is beneficial by taker?
Compound interest.
Ma'am, compound interest.
Yes, in compound interest, how much amount is extra amount is taken?
128 rupees extra we get.
Yes, ma'am, 128 rupees.
128 rupees.
Ma'am, if we take a loan, then simple interest is better. If we lend money, then compound is better.
Okay, okay, right.
Ma'am, and it should be profitable for us. If we learn. Ma'am, you are muted.
Okay, just we will take like that. Children, suppose only 1 or 2 years is given, we are doing like that. Suppose income here, suppose compounded annually is given, so that 1 year we are calculating. Suppose compounded half yearly means what you supposed to do?
Ma'am, 4 times you have to do this
Ma'am,
same process.
Very good. Suppose compound interest half yearly means you're supposed to do 4 times. Or else suppose they are asking about quarterly. Compound
Ma'am, I
interest.
did not understand.
Ma'am, 8 times.
Interest every quarterly they will calculate. Nana. Interest
Ma'am,
is
8
calculated
times.
for
8 times.
quarterly. Here
Ma'am,
we are
8
taking
times.
1 year, right? Annually we are calculating.
Yes,
Like
ma'am.
that?
Then half yearly will be 4 times and quarterly will be 8 times.
Yeah. Let me do the sums on that also. No?
Ma'am, for example, if they say we should not multiply by 1, we should multiply by 4.
Yes. So why? Because see, Nana, here interest is every calculated half yearly means half yearly again your amount will be changed, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
Yes,
they
ma'am.
will
Again,
add up
more will
that
get.
interest to the original your amount, whatever amount you are taking. They will.
Ma'am, if the
every-
compounded it is monthly, then 24 times you have to do.
Yeah. One step by step, we will see that problems you have even half yearly, annually, how much you are going to. So now, can we go with some more examples so that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, we will go with some more examples, children. How simple interest, how compound interest will be varied every first year, second year, third year. Which one is beneficiable for the people? Why, if you supposed to have extra money, you are supposed to giving to others means which interest is beneficiable for you? For takers, which interest is beneficiable for the others who are taking?
Simple
loan?
interest.
Yeah, these are the things. So we will do some more bits, Nana. Let me do that.
And it is simple interest only. Simple interest, ma'am, for the ticket.
Okay. Just now, Sahu asked a question. Ma'am, is there any easier way to find out compound interest?
Yes, ma'am, because 24 times it will be much means.
Yeah. Suppose the question is given, P1 is the sum which interest compound annually at the rate of R% per annum means. If you take amount, let me do some bits on that so that you can understand. Principal amount is given as rupees 5,000 and the rate is given as 5. Then step by step mentioned above what we supposed to. P1 is a sum, Nana. What is the sum on which interest compounded annually is taken? Suppose simple interest 1, if you take as a 1 year first simple interest, how it happens to then 5,000 into rate of interest 5 first year means you are taking as 1 year first year.
Upon 100.
Yes, 100. You just
Ma'am, it
see
will
what
be 25, 250, 250.
250. The same way simple interest. So that what happens to then first amount should be happens as a principal plus
Ma'am,
whatever
50 to 50 to 150, ma'am, means
whatever the amount
5,250.
you are taking, you are supposed to taking that.
Ma'am,
Nothing but yeah. In this, which one are common, children? You just observe which amount is common here. You just take 5,000 is common, right?
yes, ma'am.
Shall I take a 5,000 as a common thing? 1 plus, what is
Yes.
left over, children? What is left
Five
over?
in 5/1000.
5 by,
Ma'am, you wrote 1000.
Yes,
sorry,
it's
it's 100, no, no, it's 100. 5 by 100 into,
one.
yeah, 1 year we are taking, so it is 1. This is nothing but, what is, this one is nothing but principal amount, right? Next year, second year, we are going to
Yes,
give,
ma'am.
second year we are taking this amount. This is nothing but P2. If you're supposed to take that one, initial one as P1, this is P2. Suppose if I want to find out further, what you're supposed to take, children, here, SI 2 is nothing but second year. If you want to calculate for second year, 5,000, we know that this is 1 plus
Ma'am, minus.
100. And again, what you supposed to calculate here? Second year. Why we are taking this amount, Nana?
Ma'am, into 2.
Why we are taking into 2 into 2? Why we are taking like that?
Ma'am, because it's second one,
Yes.
second years.
Second year you are taking, but only 5 by 100 only. Why you are taking? Not 1 plus 5 by 100 we are getting. That is your,
Ma'am, because that is the rate
very good.
of
That is the
interest.
rate of interest.
Yes, ma'am, it will be unchanged.
Again,
I did
PTR
not
by 100.
understand.
Right.
Ma'am, this compound interest one is very confusing, ma'am.
No need to confuse.
Yes.
Nana. Just we are deriving formula. Compound interest is nothing but one. What is the formula, Nana? Compound interest. The formula is how much? What is the formula? P into 1 plus R by 100. 1 plus R by 100. Suppose we are taking annually or half yearly or quarterly, we don't know about the PTR by 100. P into 1 plus R by
Ma'am,
100.
can you please solve some questions by this formula?
Yes, we will go step by step. We will go. That's why only I'm giving the formula. No, we are going to sums means we can easily assess why we are taking this P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. Let me take some more examples on this, children. A2, suppose if you take as A2, second year, what is the amount you're supposed to pay? This is simple interest for second year you are paying. Simple interest for second year. The same way, if you take as amount for second year, just a minute now. Let me take a few examples. Just you have to remember the formula. CI is nothing but P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. How you will get, we will do some bits means so that you can understand, children, why we are adding the continuously this amount to this. Why? Because interest is continuously added in simple compound interest. But simple interest we are taking directly for 2 years or 5 years or 10 years. Commonly we are taking interest. But in compound interest, according to the condition is whatever the condition is given. According to the condition, our interest will be added to the principal amount. Let me take a example here. Compound interest of, you're supposed to find the compound interest on rupees. Is not working, children. Yes, I can write. I can write. Yeah. Compound interest. You're supposed to find out compound interest on rupees. How much amount is given, children? Principal is given as, principal amount is given as 12,600 for 2 years. Time is given as 2 years. For 2 years. 10% per annum. Rate of interest is given as 10% per year. What is the?
I will find a compound interest.
Yeah, compound annually is given, Nana. You're supposed to find out compound interest, compounded annually. Compounded annually. Every year it is the interest is added to the principal amount. That is the condition. compounded annually is the question. This is the keyword. You have to check the according to keyword. So that first year, what happens? We know that. What is the formula? I said, children, amount is nothing but P into 1 plus R by
1 plus R by
1 plus
100.
R by 100 raised to the power n.
100 whole to the power n.
Ma'am, in this formula, what is that n?
Yes, ma'am, I
Raised
had the
to the
same.
power n.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am,
yes.
number of years, no?
Number of
Duration.
years, Nana. Let me write the each and every point. Suppose P is nothing but principal. We know that, children. P is nothing but principal amount. R is nothing but rate of interest.
Rate of interest, and N is
N
duration.
is nothing
Number
but
of
number of years, Nana.
Ma'am, sometimes in the sums the number of years is given in months, so can we convert it into decimal?
Definitely, you're supposed to convert into divide whatever the months. Suppose 6 months is given. 6 by 12. 6
1 by
12.
2 we can write.
Ma'am,
0.5.
Yeah, 0.5. 1 by 2, you're supposed to substitute there. You know fractions, how to solve, how to multiply. So we know even square roots also, right? If whole power 1 by 2 is there means. So let me take in this. What you're supposed to take a 12,600. You just substitute, children. 1 plus rate of interest 8% by whole square. How you supposed to solve here? Yes, come on, please solve it. Amount is nothing but P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n.
Ma'am means 12,600 plus 12,600 into 8 upon 100.
Yes, you can.
Ma'am, can we directly do 12,600 into 108 upon 100?
12,600 into 108 by
Yes,
100.
ma'am.
Yes, 108 by 100, 108 by 100 also you can. So that you can cancel here 2 zeros. Any other simplification part is also there. You simplify.
Ma'am, 108 and 100 can be done.
That way, that can be 1.0.
Ma'am, 54 and 50.
108 into 108 squares, Nana. You know that 108 into 108 also. Yes, 108 into 108. How you supposed to find out very quickly? What is the base here? 100.
100.
Ma'am, 100.
100 means, shall I?
11,664.
11,000?
11,664.
664. Yes, okay, right.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we can use that Vedic maths one here.
Yes,
108
you
plus
can use
8,
that.
116,
You can
and 8
use.
8 is
So this
64.
is nothing but 116. So divide with already this is you're supposed to multiply with 1.26 or 26. 126. Come on, 126 multiply it. A bigger numbers also. How you supposed to do multiplication? You know, children.
ma'am, in that what will happen to 1 plus, ma'am? Where will you add the 1?
No, Ritvik, no, Satvik, this is nothing but your fraction part, Nana, once again. 1 plus 8 by 100. 1 plus 8
Yes,
by 100 LCM is 100. You do cross multiplication. 100 plus
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, it's coming in decimal, but
108 by
1.261 multiplication.
108 by 100. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Or else, children, if you reduce this much fraction, because if you reduce, always you're supposed to reduce the fraction, Mama. Reduce the fraction. Rate of interest is given as 8% here. That's why you're getting.
Ma'am, it comes in decimal there. 11664
Yeah, you
into
have to
1.2.
solve, children. Now, obviously, you're supposed to solve. If you get as a decimals also, definitely they will.
Ma'am, then it comes 14696.64.
14.
696.64.
2 decimals. You round it as this.
No, ma'am, 2 only come.
Only 2 come. Okay, then
Yes,
what is the number, Nana? What is the number?
14696.64.
696.64.
64.
This is the amount after compound interest, Nana. This is the amount you're supposed to 14,1,469.
Ma'am, after 2 years, no?
After 2 years. Is it 1,469 or else 1,496, Nana? What? I think there is I think it is a 1,469.664. Yes, I think so. Somewhere you did a silly error. Nana, please correct those mistakes. It's 1.26 means almost it is 1400 you will
Yes,
get.
ma'am. It is. Yes, ma'am.
I
Correct.
think 1400 you will get. Please check it, Sahu. Sahu.
No, ma'am, I got
No,
14.
Sahu, this is, you just observe your number 11664 multiplied with 1.26. If you multiplied with approximately, if your approximation value is also taken as 1 point something. So if
Ma'am, but if we take that 11664 into 1 also, that is only coming 1100. So how can that come?
on
Means it-
1100, this point is obviously 1400. It's a 1400 something you will get. So you just please multiply it.
Ma'am, but this formula is for amount, no?
Amount only. We supposed to calculating amount.
Ma'am, then 14,696.64 only.
How much it is coming? You did you calculate? Divide with 100 also you did?
Ma'am, let me
Yes,
verify
ma'am.
from
it is
calculator.
correct answer only.
What is the value?
Yes,
for
What-
this?
ma'am.
Ma'am,
What is the
14,696.64.
amount here?
14,696.64, ma'am. That is the amount.
14,600 and
60.
96.
Yes, 96.64.
okay. Now you please substitute.
Ma'am, 96.64, ma'am, not
Yes, ma'am,
96.4.
64.
Okay. Now you have to substitute. What is the formula for compound interest, Nana? You know what is the principal amount? What is your principal amount minus principal? What is your amount? You are getting 14,696.64
Ma'am, I think it's 2096.
yeah, 12,600. 12,600. You just subtract, you will get a compound interest.
Ma'am,
Yes,
2096.64. 2096.64. 96.64.
2096.64. So it is very carefully you have to do the calculation part, children. If you miss 1 point also, you are not going to get correct answer. Suppose generally they will give 10 rate of interest 10.5 like that, children, so that if here the fraction is reduced. But in this case only given as 8% means calculation is little more.
Ma'am, is our answer correct? Can we
Yes,
verify?
yes, correct only. Even I
Okay,
thought,
ma'am.
yeah, it's correct. Amount only we are calculating. Correct only. What is the compound interest you are getting? 2096.64. Right. Shall I give one more bit, children, so that you can calculate?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am, one more.
Yeah, please. Remember the formula for amount. First, you have to write in the amount. What is the formula, children, for amount? Amount is
ma'am, for CI.
yes, CI only, Nana. SI we are not going to do anything. Only CI sums only we have in a class.
Compound. Yes, ma'am.
SI bits for your vehicle.
Ma'am, are you writing anything on your screen?
No. Yes, amount is nothing but P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. Then compound interest is nothing but how much, Nana? Compound interest is nothing but amount minus
P.
This is two formulas you have to remember. Based on that, you have to take the question. Find CI. You need to find the CI. And sum is given as rupees 8,000. Rupees 8,000 for 2 years. For 2 years, 5% per annum compounded annually. 2 years. So N is nothing but 2 years. 5% rate of interest is given as 5% per annum. Compound annually. Compounded annually. That is the keyword. Compounded annually.
A is equal to.
Yeah.
Ma'am, compounded annually, what does that mean, ma'am?
This is the keyword, Nana. Sometimes compounded half yearly means you have to again half yearly means 6 months, every 6 months you are going to add that.
Ma'am,
again,
what
formula-
if it is
Say
compounded after 2 years?
again formula will be changed. I will tell Nana. First you have to compound it annually, you have to perfect it. Then
Ma'am,
every-
compounded annually means it will be
every
per
year,
year.
every year interest is added to your sum. That is
Okay, ma'am.
next year, that is only the principal amount. That is only the amount. Then that amount.
Ma'am, and
again,
if the
calculation-
duration is less, then we will get more amount after 1 year, no?
Yes.
Ma'am,
exactly.
if they say compounded for 2 years,
Compounded for 2 years. That is n. Yes, yes. My n is equal to 2 years here. Come on, children, please do quickly. What is the answer? First, you have to find out the amount. Amount is nothing but
8,000
8,000.
8,000.
5 by 100 into 5 by 100 because
See,
it is
in this
2.
case, very simple, children. 5 you have to simplify here. 1 by 20. It is reduced right now.
Yes,
8,000.
ma'am.
8,000 into 20. 21 by 20 into 21 by 20.
Yes,
How you will get 21 by 20? You got Nana here 1 by 20. This is again fractions. Fractions 21s are 20. 21.
Ma'am, the 2 zeros of 20 and 20 will get cancelled with 8,000's 2 zeros.
Okay, then only 4 is also there. 4 ones are 4 2 times. This is nothing but 20. Now
Yes, ma'am.
21 into 21. You know squares also how to find very quickly.
Ma'am, 441 into 20.
441 into 20 is nothing but 441 2 times.
Ma'am, 8820.
Ma'am,
8820, ma'am.
8820.
8820.
This is your amount, Nana. Next, they're asking about compound interest. Compound interest means whatever you are getting.
820, ma'am. 820.
Yes, compound interest means whatever amount you are getting minus principal amount. Sum, whatever
Which
that
is 8,000, 8820 minus 8,000, which is 820.
right. Shall we go with the half yearly, annually, that so that you can
Yes,
semi-annually,
ma'am.
half yearly? Yeah, till now it is clear, children. If it is given like annually, compounded annually questions, it is given like that. Is very simple. You can just substitute in the formula.
Ma'am, can you once scroll up?
Yes, Nana.
Okay, ma'am, thank you.
The time period only you have to see very carefully, children, whether the time period, how much is given, whether it is a keyword is given as interest is half yearly or annually or semi-annually. These are the things you have to observe. So that based on that, if annum compounded annually means so that we can calculate as usual formula what. Suppose time period is taken 1 year, time period for every 6 months compounded half yearly means that time again your n value is changing. N value is changing. How it is changing? Let
It
me
will be 8,000 into 21. No, yes, ma'am. 21 by 20.
yeah. Directly few formulas are there, children, so that you can directly remember that formulas. Half yearly given, how much you supposed to take. Annually given, anyway, no issues. Quarterly given, how we supposed. Rate of interest, some fractional form also given, children. This is rate of interest, some fractional. Let me do this question. Write down, children. Sum is given 10,800. Time number is n value 3 years. Rate of interest is 12.5%. Nana. This is some fractional form is given. Keyword is compounded annually. Please find out the compound interest. Come on, quick.
Ma'am, 12.5% means 6. No, ma'am, we can do.
12.5 means how you're supposed to 12.5 you can take, or else you can fractional form you want means you can take it as 25 by 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, which one you are comfort with fractions, you can take. If you are comfort with the decimals, you can go with the decimals. Shall I write on the screen question, children? Please do this and
Yes,
give it in the chat box. Write down the amount, write down, children. You have to write on your paper. The sum is given as 10,800. N is given as 3 years. The rate of interest 12.5% compounded annually. Please give the answer.
ma'am. How many years, ma'am?
N is given as 3 years, no. 3 years.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the rate of interest.
Oh yeah. Please find out.
Ma'am, how much is the sum?
What is sum is 10,800, Nana. Don't know, my pen is not. How much you got answer? Or else let me share the questions, children, so that you can see the question on the screen and please try it. There are 4 questions. Please give all 4 questions answers. Exercise 8.3, children. If you have textbook, go with exercise 8.3 first. You see the first question, children. Even second question is given annually. Coming to the third question, half yearly, compounded half yearly. Compounded half yearly means what we supposed to do here? Children,
Multiply by 4, ma'am.
Yes. First
Ma'am.
one is, first one is
Ma'am, multiply.
Multiply by 4.
what is the interest for first bit? What is the first bit? Please put in the chat box, children, so that I can see. What is the first bit answer, children? Why?
1 minute, ma'am. Over 1 minute.
Very pin drop silent. I didn't get any answer from any student. You are doing many classes, abacus and whatever other class. You should give very fast answers, right? Vedic math. Please apply your wherever the skills you are learning there, that you have to apply here to find out first 2 bits who are giving first answer. Let me. You may get decimal points. That's why it is taking time, right?
Yes, ma'am, it is taking
Yes.
that much time because there are so many decimals, ma'am. It is coming
Okay,
as a
or
very
else
big
let
number.
let me do on the screen. 1 bit. Let me do on the screen.
Ma'am, I have sent the answer.
Very good. Who is this?
Ma'am, which exercise?
Zoya?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. It's how much you are getting, Zoya, for your
Ma'am,
13?
amount is 13 points. 1 second, ma'am.
Amount is 13,668.75.
Okay, why our original amount is 10,800, right? It's 3 years, 12% per annum. Okay, let me give others too.
I just now did and I got
I think Zoya, you are getting different answer, and some other students
ma'am,
are getting
compound
different.
interest I got as 268.75.
No, it is decimal points. 12.5 you are taking, children, 12%, 12.5% it is given question. Please check the question. It's 3 years, 12.5%. Let me do on the screen, children. You are not giving correct answers. Everyone are
Ma'am,
The
amount I got
NCERT book.
as 13,006
everyone are
13.
giving different answers. Why?
Ma'am, I got 13,668.75 as amount.
13,000?
13,668.75.
I think no.
Yes, ma'am, I also got that.
Yeah, somewhere you are both are doing I think no.
Ma-
I think no.
Ma'am, but I use the same formula also, ma'am.
Same things, same 3 years.
Yes,
It's not 2
ma'am.
years. It's not 2
Exactly
years.
same.
It's not 2 years, Nana. It's 3 years. It's 3 years. Did you take for 2 years?
Ma'am, I did 2 years.
That's why I'm telling you. You are taking 2 years. That's why you're getting different answers. Where is the Sahu and other students? Children, it's already 7.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, why you are not giving answer? For simply wasting the time. Where is the remaining Zoya and Akash? These people, what you are doing, children?
I am calculating the answer now.
No one is not giving answers. Why simply sitting? Relax.
Ma'am, now I got amount as 1,500 377.343.
Interest?
Yes, ma'am.
Interest, how much you got? Compound interest.
Oh, compound interest I still did not do, ma'am. I'm doing right now.
Subtract, just subtract from those two amounts, you will get the compound.
Ma'am, I got 4,577.343.
Correct. Yes.
Ma'am, actually the decimal will be more, but I think it is recurring.
Okay. If it is okay. Go with the second bit, children. It's a 10% per annum is given, so maybe it is little simple. But here 2.5 n is you supposed to take as 2.5 years. 2.5 means whole to the power 5 by 2 you will get here. Let me do on the screen. I think other class is there. It is working. Children, first bit, anyone have doubt? First bit, A is nothing but P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power n. Here P is given as 10,800 into 1 plus R by 100 means rate of interest is 12.5%. 1 plus 12.5 means you can suppose to take it as 25 by 20. Shall I take as 25 by 200, children? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Why I should take as 25 by 200 here? Let me substitute my question. 12.5 means 25 by 2 divided with 100 to the power 3. So this, if you simplify this, 25 by 200 you will get 25 by 200 whole to the power 3. It's nothing but 225 by 200 whole cube. So you just simplify, children. 1,800 multiplied with 225 by 200 3 times. You can go with the 5 table. Yes. 5 or 25 table. Which table it will go both the numbers?
Ma'am, 25 table.
25 8 times. 25 9 times. 25.
9 times.
Is it true, children? 8 by 9.
Yes, ma'am. It is correct. Only it is coming.
8 by 9. Now you have to 8 table. 108 will come, children, in 8 table. In 8 table, 108 will come or not, please. Let me
No,
know.
ma'am. It will come in 4 table.
If you
I
don't
think.
know anything, go with 2 tables, children. 2 4s are. Then how many times? 2 5s are. 2 4s are. 5,400. Again, go with 2 table. If you don't know any table, you go with 2 table. 2 2s are. 2 7s are. 2,700. Half of 2,700, how much, Nana? Half of 2,700 again?
1350.
1,350.
Now you have to multiply 1350 into 81. 9 cube, how much? What is the value of 9 cube? 9 cube. 9 cube again cubes. You
729.
no, 700.
729.
729 divided by 8 square.
Ma'am, 64.
If any reducing is there, you can simplify, children, so that you can calculate a very less number.
And reduce, we can
Ma'am, I
reduce by
think
two.
we can do by 2 table.
Yes, go with 2 table. Half of 1350. Half of 1350. It's
Mm.
nothing but a 6. 5 means 7
675.
by 79 divided by, it's nothing but 3 and 2, 32. Now you can know other option, children, you can multiply. If any other option is there, both the numbers will divisible like that. No, you're supposed to multiply those two numbers. Come on, children, please calculate what is the value. Please let me know. 675 into 729. How to multiply three digit number with 3 digit?
Ma'am, 492075.
Anna, 49.
492075 divided by 32.
Come on, please do this division. 32 ones are 32. What is left over there? 492075 divided with 32.
Ma'am, then it is coming as 15377.343.
3 table, 3 5s are 15 kada nana. 15
Yes.
means 32 5 16 ఎంత nana?
Ma'am, it's coming in decimal.
Yes, let it be, let it be. Yes, what is the amount? 32 5 times.
It is coming something 15 to 1.
No, let it be, let it be. 32
Ma'am,
times
32 5 times is 160, ma'am.
160. Here, what is the leftover? 12.
12.
Pin down 0, 120, 32. How many times 120? 32? 3 times you're supposed to take.
Ma'am, I got the answer as 15,377.3.
Correct. Go with after 2 decimal places, you stop, children. Please do like that.
Ma'am, something 3.
Ma'am, I got 15377.3438, something like that.
15377 point
3438.
3438.
3438. No need to go. Only
Ma'am,
take
3437, I think. Ma'am, I don't know.
Yes, ma'am, it should be 7, not 8.
Yes, ma'am.
which one, ma?
Ma'am, it should not be 7.
3437.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am, it should not be 8.
15,377.34. Not 3.
Ma'am, I'm leaving like 343 only.
Yeah, 343 means you need to round off, Nana. After 2 decimal, it is more than 5 means you round down. It's equal to 5 or more than 5 means round up. Yeah, I think it is 3 will happen. That's why you just 3 4. You have to stop there.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I got 34375.
34375. No need to do Satvik that much also. You just stop till after 2 decimal places. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
In examination, you didn't have that much time to calculate, right? They will give some fractional portion. You're supposed to calculate like that. Please do.
Ma'am, if we leave in decimals only, like if we directly leave in decimals, will they deduct marks?
Yes, you can.
Like in fraction?
No need to, no need, where you are telling, Nana, you just telling about 492075 divided.
Yes, ma'am, if we leave like that, will
They
they
won't
deduct
give
marks?
marks, Nana. They won't give marks. They won't give marks. You're supposed to calculate.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, please try it, children. Little slowly, slowly. If you habitate, you will get easily. Or else you may feel difficulty means it is feeling difficulty only. You have to do little hard work in this compound interest. When decimal points are getting, when fractional form is coming, so that time you're supposed to take. Next class we are going with how compound interest half yearly supposed to calculate it. That we have to do, Nana. Tomorrow we go with half yearly, how to calculate half yearly. Okay. Please do the second bit, children. Please do the second bit in this today. It's a homework for you. Third bit we will do on next class.
Ma'am, I don't think next week I can attend a tuition, ma'am, because continuously I have exams.
Exam, okay, continuously examinations.
Yes, ma'am. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, a whole week.
I think Monday
Ma'am,
onwards.
even I had like
Okay,
that.
right, children, I won't take much time. What are the chapters you have for your examination?
Ma'am, I have squares and square root, exponents and powers and rational numbers.
Very simple.